Hey Scott, Brad here with, I've got all three of your board sets done. Got the Defender on the bench now. I'm going to go over that with you. And then I'll come back and do two more videos, one for the Stargate and one for the Robotron. Excuse me. So here on the Defender MPU, stripped it down, washed it in Simple Green, stripped off some components that were reworked or old. The battery area was quite a mess with the old battery. It had a CR2032. What you've got on here now is a CR2450. Has about 3 times the capacity as that other battery. I think we had a connection issue on a RAM back here. The labels on your decoders were missing. I've got reproduction ones on there. Put a new tantalum capacitor here for the soft start. Originally it was a aluminum electrolytic. Got a new Zener diode here for the soft start as well. All new electrolytics on the filter caps. All new Molex headers with the square pins. You did have some connection issues on the old ones, so I'm glad we went through there. This one, we had put a new CPU in it as well. The other one was causing reboots periodically, so that was kind of surprising. So we got that straightened around. So the MPU, rock solid. ROM board back here, stripped it down, cleaned it up. All new Molex headers. We got a new electrolytic here for power filtering. But what we found on this is the 6821 PIA, the peripheral interface adapter, was bad, causing the board not to boot. So again, I returned all your old parts, but this is the original one out of here. Goes right there. So, and then on the I/O board, also got a new ribbon cable here. On the I/O board, we've got a new electrolytic, 2 new 10-pin Molex headers with the square pins, and the ribbon cable is brand new. I make these up. These are all 3M based parts, really good high quality stuff. Soundboard back here, completely stripped. All new electrolytics on it. New bridge rectifier right here. I'm trying to think of anything else on this particular board that we had to do. I think this one wasn't too bad once we got it cleaned up. And then the power supply back here. This one had seen some water and stuff in the back, so I stripped it all the way down. Simple Green bath, cleaned it up. It's got a lot of new components on here. All the electrolytics, all the bridge rectifiers. I do put this big heatsink back here on the large bridge, BR1. And then this is a 12 volt rectifier here. You've got filtering electrolytics for the -5 volt here. We had to put in a new power transistor here for the 5 volt. The old one was acting up. And I also add a 10-turn precision potentiometer to adjust your 5 volts. So we will boot it up and just verify everything's working. So I've got a remote control on the bench. Excuse me. Get that a little closer, I think. And you can see it boots right into attract mode. That indicates the CMOS RAM is working and the battery and everything on the board. So I've got a PlayStation controller wired up on my bench. I can configure this for any of the different games I work on. I'll coin it up here. We'll start a game. We'll do some smart rounds. In any case, you can see she's playing real good. No problems at all. So this one I'm going to get boxed up and return back to you. I'll be doing another video on the Stargate here momentarily.